Hey, buddy, look out. I'm driving a classic pickup truck. Well, that's not working. Well, on today's episode, we're going to tackle making my horn work. So stay tuned. And if you like this video, like and subscribe, MacGyver Garage. All right, we have to remove the horn button itself, and it just snaps off. It sort of snaps on with that circle thing, yeah. And underneath this silver piece is the actual horn ring. I'm pushing it and nothing's happening, but it's held on by those 3 torque screws. All right, this is with the horn ring off. I'm using a pick here to show you, even though my microphone's not working, that this spring goes in that hole. You have to be careful about not losing that spring. Okay, there is this little tiny hole that has a spring like a little, like this thing, that I just had to cut to 3/4 inches. Man, I got it close enough. So let's try to get it in there. It's got a little plastic cap. Let's see. I have no idea if this is going to work. Okay, I've screwed the horn ring back on, but when I press it, I can hear the relay click, but no horn. So now let me try to troubleshoot that. Okay, if this lights up, then we're getting power to the horn. Okay, yeah. All right, we're getting power to the horn, but no horn. All right, let me see if the ground is good. Okay, I got some horns in from online, and they come with some cables. It's just these snail horns. So what I have to do is just unscrew these screws for the grill, and I'll take that out. There's 1, 2, 3-ish, I think. I'll take that out and I'll replace these horns. But first, I'm just gonna test one. All right, I pulled the positive off of the existing horn here, and I just have a jumper cable going to ground. I don't know if that's a good ground or not, but we'll see. So I'm going to go honk it, and let's see if it honks. I want to hear the toot. Okay, moment of truth. No, no. All right, let's. I'm going to change the ground, see if I can get a better ground. All right, it's probably going to make me jump. Let's see. I just changed the ground, so let's see. Yep, that's loud. All right. Wow, that worked. Okay. All right, okay. Well, that came out without a hitch. No, not really, because now I forgot the turn signals are in the grill, and I got to get those back together. Okay. But that's okay. Now I can get to the old horn, which is right there. Oh, you can't see it. Which is right there. And the other one is right over there. So I'm going to replace them. Okay, I got the original horn to work by, really cleaning off the contacts and things like that. But let's take a listen to what that sounds like. Okay, so, okay, let's see what the other one sounds like. Okay, this is the new one from inside the cab. Okay, yeah, that one's louder. All right, I guess we'll put one of the louder ones on. The new horn has this sort of flat universal mount bracket, and then the old horn has this one that's bent. I don't feel like bending this new one, so I'm going to take the old one off of the old one, put it on the new one. Okay, now all plugged in and installed, and I used the actual mount itself as the ground. That's what the old one did, and I cleaned it up a little bit with sandpaper, that kind of stuff, so hopefully it's getting a better connection. Let's see. Yes, sir. If you were wondering what that sound was, it was my grill falling all the way out. So that's what that sound was. Yay. There, that was an easy 20 minutes, 2 hours to get that grill back in. No, just kidding. More like an hour and 15 minutes and pretty sweaty. But yeah, I got it in. It's the wrong grill, or it's super cheap, so it's not a very good fit. But you know, I had 80 bucks. I did not have 250. So we got a grill, and our turn signals are in there. So now let's go into the cab and test the horn. Okay, moment of truth. After putting it back together, hope it works, because if it doesn't, I ain't taking that apart again. All right, let's see. All right. McGuire Garage. Like and subscribe.